Imagine stepping onto the surface of another planet without leaving Earth. A place where the ground erupts in neon yellows, electric greens, and rust oranges, where acidic pools bubble and hiss like something from a science fiction movie. Welcome to Dallol, Ethiopia's multicolored hot springs, the most alien landscape on our planet. Nestled in the Danakil depression of northeastern Ethiopia, Dallol sits at 130 meters below sea level. This makes it one of the lowest places on Earth's surface. The region straddles the border between Ethiopia and Eritrea in the Afar Triangle. This is where three tectonic plates are slowly tearing Africa apart, creating geological chaos. The visual spectacle at Dallol defies belief. Bright yellow sulfur deposits form crystalline structures that look like frozen flowers. Vivid green pools of acid shimmer in the relentless sun. Orange and red iron oxide stains paint the ground in rust-colored patterns. White salt formations create miniature mountain ranges just inches tall. These colors aren't painted or artificial. They're the result of extreme chemistry happening right beneath your feet. The landscape constantly changes and evolves. Small geysers shoot acidic water into the air without warning. Salt chimneys grow and collapse in the span of days. The ground beneath feels unstable, almost alive. Crusts of salt crack under pressure, revealing steaming vents below. Every visit to Dallol reveals a slightly different world than the last. So what creates this extraterrestrial wonderland? Deep beneath Dallol, volcanic activity heats groundwater to extreme temperatures. This superheated water dissolves minerals from surrounding rocks as it rises. When it reaches the surface, rapid evaporation leaves behind concentrated mineral deposits. The interaction between volcanic gases, extreme heat, and salt deposits creates the spectacular colors. The yellow comes from pure sulfur brought up from volcanic sources below. Green pools get their color from iron, sulfur, and other minerals in acidic solutions. The reds and oranges are iron oxides, essentially rust formed in supersaturated conditions. White areas are primarily salt, evaporated from ancient seawater that once covered this depression. Dallol holds the record for the highest average annual temperature ever recorded. Between 1960 and 1966, the average temperature was 34.4 degrees Celsius. That's 94 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. Daily temperatures regularly exceed 50 degrees Celsius or 122 Fahrenheit. The heat is so intense that it distorts the air, creating shimmering mirages. The acidity at Dallol rivals battery acid in some pools. pH levels drop below zero in certain locations, making them among the most acidic natural waters on Earth. Yet even in these extreme conditions, scientists have discovered microscopic life. These extremophile microorganisms might hold clues about how life could exist on other planets. Visiting Dallol assaults all your senses simultaneously. The visual explosion of colors overwhelms your eyes instantly. The air tastes metallic and sharp on your tongue. Sulfurous smells like rotten eggs fill your nostrils constantly. The heat radiates from the ground, making breathing feel laborious. Every surface is either scorching hot or covered in sharp salt crystals. The sound environment is equally distinctive. Small geysers gurgle and pop irregularly. Salt crusts crack underfoot with sharp, snapping sounds. The wind whistles across the barren landscape constantly. There's an eerie absence of animal sounds. No birds sing, no insects buzz in this hostile environment. Scientists study Dallol to understand extreme environments and astrobiology. The conditions here mirror those thought to exist on Jupiter's moon, Europa, or Saturn's moon, Enceladus. If life can survive at Dallol, it might survive in similar extraterrestrial environments. NASA researchers have visited to test equipment designed for Mars missions. The best time to visit is between November and March, when temperatures are merely unbearable instead of lethal. Even then, visitors must take extreme precautions. Armed guards are necessary due to regional instability. The journey requires crossing the salt flats of the Danakil Depression. There are no facilities, no shade, and no water sources. Dallol faces environmental challenges despite its remote location. Increased tourism impacts the fragile formations. Footsteps can destroy salt structures that took years to form. The political instability in the region makes conservation efforts difficult. Climate change may alter the delicate balance of groundwater and evaporation. This remarkable place reminds us that Earth still holds mysteries and wonders beyond imagination. Dallol proves that our planet can be just as alien and fascinating as any world in science fiction. It challenges our understanding of where life can exist and how extreme environments shape our world. Every bizarre formation and impossible color at Dallol tells a story of Earth's incredible geological power and chemical complexity.